Hey guys, and welcome to our another video about mental maths tips and tricks, guys. Guys, before we start off, I would just like to introduce ourselves. We are Teacherlookup.com, and our aim is to spread education as much as we can and help the people and the individuals out who need help with. So, guys, if you want to help us achieve our aim to promote and deliver education, please give us a bit of donation to help us grow. This is our donation blog, so you can just click here and donate whatever you think is necessary, guys. Also, guys, we believe education is our key wealth. Without learning, we cannot earn and achieve. So, we want to promote. That is our reason of promoting. We want to spread the wealth of education, which can make real wealth in the future. So enough about me talking about wealth and everything. Let's get on to the main topic, which is mental maths tips and tricks. So guys, many of you are good in, some are very good in mental maths, some are very weak. I am in the weaker ones, guys. So please, if you're feeling weak, you have company, and I'm one of your companions. So mental maths can be used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers. You can quickly rearrange complex problems into simple ones using some simple mental maths rules. So, for example, mental math addition. So, mental addition. Normally, we add numbers from the from right to the left. This is easy when you are using pen and paper. However, in mental maths, you can do it in the following ways. So let's take an example of 57 plus 16. You can start with the first column, tens place of both numbers, and calculate 50 plus 10 equals 60. Then calculate the sum of the numbers in the units position 7 plus 6. Now add the two together, so 60 plus 13. So add those two together to get 73, guys. So this is a quick way. So we first added the 10, so we said, oh, 57 plus 16, what do we do? So 50 plus 10. So we add those together, and then what's remaining? It's 16 plus 7. Okay, oh, that's 13. So let's just add those 60 and 13 together and get 73, guys. And also, the easier way to think about adding 7 plus 6 is 6 has two threes in it. So 6 has two threes, so the way I see it is 7 plus 3 equals 10. You're adding another 3, which is 13. So this is the way I saw of getting 13, guys. I hope you understand. Moving on to example 2, this is a 3-digit number. So this is 293 plus 480. So what can you do? You can add 7 to 293 to get 300. And you can add 300 and 480 to get 780. This will result to, if you subtract the final answer by 7, then this will result to 773. Because and you know why we've subtracted it from 7 is because we added 7 here. That's why we subtract 7 here. And also we added 7 to get this to close to 300, basically, because 300 is much easier to add than 293. So moving on mental subtraction. So mental subtraction can be done in the same way. For example, let's take 58 minus 16. Okay, so first we did the tens. We do the tens. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Right. Second, we look into the two unit numbers. and that is 8 minus 6, which equals 2. So if we now add 40 and 2 together, we get 42, and that is our answer, guys. So this is how we calculated it. Mental multiplication. You can be very good at mental maths if you memorize multiplication tables. Guys, some of my friends who have been educated in India and other Asian countries were tasked to learn the multiplication tables during the early years, and I really recommend it as well if your memory is good. If not, we're going to put on more videos on how to quickly, calculate multiplications, and hopefully that will guide you. So one of the simplest rule is to add when you multiply a number by 10, place a 0 at the end of the number to get the answer. Similarly, for multiplication by 100,000, add many zeros at the end of the number to get the answer. So, for example, 4 times 100 will be 400 because we put two zeros after the 4, giving us the answer. When multiplying number by 5, the results will always be 5 and 0, guys. So remember that. And when you multiply by 15, you can multiply the given number by 10 and then add half. That results to the original result to get the final answer, which is 4 times 5 can be calculated by 10 times 4 plus half of 10 times 4, which is 60. That's a neat trick, guys, don't you think? And then if you have to multiply by, suppose, that much, like, which is 9 times so many nines, etc., you can multiply the given number by 10, 100,000 and subtract by the result. So multiply by 99, 999, and 9,999. An example, guys, is 7 times 99 equals 7 times 100 minus 7. That's a neat trick, guys. I always use that. That's one of my favorite tricks. So if I'm ever asked to get an answer of something that is close to 9. For example, if you ask me, oh, what's 7 times 9? Well, 7 times 10 is 70. So if I take away 7, I'm left with 63, and that should be the answer. And that is the way I think about it in my head whenever somebody asks me the 9 times table. So it's a little tip for you guys. And mental division. So when dividing two numbers, try to first reduce them as much as possible. For example, 360 divided by 60. You can first reduce both numbers by 10 and then just do 36 divided by 6, which if you know our times table, we'll be able to say it's 6. Did you know, if we take any 4-digit numbers, rearrange the digits from the smallest and the largest possible number, subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Now repeat the process for the result. We will eventually reach the number 6174, and 6174 is the Capricor's constant. For example, let's look at that. So 5674, let's take that. So we arrange this to the biggest and the smallest, and then we do the same again, and then we do the same, and we end up with that. It's a neat way, isn't it? It doesn't. Yeah, it's wonderful how maths works. So guys, again, these are some practice questions for you guys to try. Have a go at them, see what you feel. And with these subjects, as I always say, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more you will get better at this, guys. And guys, please, 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 if you have got any questions, come on the website and do give us a comment, and we'll try and reply to your comments ASAP. And guys, if you like this video and want to help us grow, please, please, please donate again. Guys, thanks for staying with me for so long, and I'll let you get back. Have a good day, have a good evening. Thanks for watching.